Dear students, now we are going to talk about the concept of deep mediatization. The concept of deep mediatization is actually the extension of the concept of mediatization. Now, let's see what it is. Deep mediatization is a socially bound meta process, according to the Quartz 2007. How it is a meta process? It is just like a meta process, like other processes of individualization, commercialization, and globalization. And it is in an overreaching process of social transformation that is solidified with numerous other sub processes. तो जब हम डीप मीडियाटाइजेशन की बात करते हैं, तो ये जो मीडिया टेक्नोलॉजी की ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, ये एम्बेडेड है आपके सोशल स्ट्रक्चर के साथ, आपकी सोसाइटी के साथ। और ये ऐसा ही प्रोसेस है जैसा कि ग्लोबलाइजेशन एक प्रोसेस है। और जैसे ग्लोबलाइजेशन एक फार रीचिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसी तरह ये भी एक फार रीचिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है। जब हम डीप मीडियाटाइजेशन की बात करते हैं, तो देयर इज एन concept which is called supra individual actors that play a major role in the process of the demediatization. In the process of the demediatization, supra individual actors play a very important role. And when we talk about the supra individual actors includes corporate actors such as companies and state agencies, and collective actors such as social movements and pioneer communities. So, when we talk about the corporate actors, the agency of corporate actors such as technology companies and state agencies is rooted in binding agreements which are articulated in ongoing practices. तो ये जो मीडिया ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होती हैं, जो कि अब कॉरपोरेशंस बन चुकी हुई हैं, तो और ये जो दूसरी आपकी टेक्नोलॉजिकल कंपनीज होती हैं, जो कि भी जो वो भी कॉरपोरेशंस हैं, उनका जो रिलेशनशिप है, उनके जो एग्रीमेंट्स हैं जो मीडिया की डेवलपमेंट में, वो बड़े डीप रूटेड होते हैं सोसाइटी की प्रैक्टिस में. द एजेंसी ऑफ कलेक्टिव एक्टर्स लाइक पाइनियर communities or social movements is rooted in shared patterns of perception, evaluation, and imagination as expressed by their participant in similarly ongoing practices. The agency of collective actors like pioneers community or social movements is rooted in shared patterns of perception, evaluation, and imagination as expressed by their participants in similarly ongoing practices.